Hello everybody. I want to talk with you a little bit about 4 things to consider when drafting a contract. And these are things that the parties to the contract will want to consider, but we're going to be brief and concise today. So first, you want to talk with each one of the parties about what will be the rights and responsibilities of each party. You can have a wonderful contract drafted and then realize later that nowhere in the contract does it say what each party is actually supposed to do. And we want to make sure that that's included and that it's super clear. Second, you want to make sure you understand both the long and short-term goals of your contract. Oftentimes, this is going to be very different. If your contract is really for a short period of time, the goals and objectives are going to be quite different than if you're talking about an agreement that's supposed to last over several years. So make sure that's discussed. Number 3, make sure that you discuss and anticipate potential obstacles and challenges you might face with drafting or with dealing with the parties. What happens if something in the contractual terms change? What happens if the business fails? What happens if anything that you don't anticipate right now could be occurring? So you want to think through any potential issues you might have in the future. Fourth, you want to talk about what will happen if anything occurs with any one of the parties. If there's a death or incapacitation, or if anybody just wants to leave the contract. What is the exit clause? Has that been included and has it been discussed? So those are just 4 key tips you want to keep in mind if you're talking about the very basics that you want to walk away with. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Gonzalo Law. We're happy to work with you. Offices in Florida and Ohio, and sí, se habla español. Sería un placer hablar con ustedes. Muchísimas gracias y nos vemos pronto. Thanks so much. We hope to see you soon.